Hi guys, today I will be guiding you through how to create Gumroad account. Creating Gumroad account is very simple because Gumroad by itself offers you to create account on their platform by using different kind of email addresses. So let's find out how many emails we can use. So the first thing is, in the Google search bar, search for Gumroad. Once you will search for it, you will see the official website, click on it and get access of it. Now you will see the official page of Gumroad, where it will say log in and start selling. If you are using it for the first time, maybe here it will ask to sign up, but for now I am seeing the icon called login, so let me click on it. Now here are a few things you need to remember. If you have an account, then log in. But if you don't have, then click on the option sign up. Now this page is for signing up your account, and now you can see it offers Facebook, Google, X and Stripe account, or if you have any other email address instead of this one, then you can use that email address. And with the help of that, you can create an account. And I have my account on Gumroad, so that's why I will log in with the help of my Google. So let me click on it. Now it's saying it sent a verification code on my Gmail account. After entering that code, I can log in by clicking on it, and then I will get access of my Gumroad. It was the way by which you can create, and that's it.